Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Impresa J9 espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the water pump and we also did a tune-up. Unfortunately, the condition of the inside of the machine desperately needed tune-up. Let me just show you. This is the previous condition of the machine. As you can see, that's, give me a second, that's part of the grinder. It wasn't that bad, but the bad part was over here, which is the brew unit. It was completely full of mold. Even the brew unit itself as well, there was a lot of coffee, and this doesn't look like, but it's mold crumbs and coffee crumbs that are just moldy. All this is completely just in terrible condition all around here as well as that's the base where the brew unit was. So we pretty much cleaned everything inside. Make sure everything is very well located. Replace the O-ring from the brew unit, as well as deep clean the shower screen, and as you can see, it's totally clean. We also deep clean everything around the machine to make sure it's running out perfectly fine. Give it a good descale and clean a little bit the grinder on the top as well to make sure it's, there's no any old beans or anything like that. So starting with one coffee, we're gonna test it out. The main problem with this machine was no water was coming out through the front or anything like that, and that was really because of the pump. Could have been a clog inside. I don't think it could have been clog. It's just regular age that happens. I mean, after a really long period, a lot of water passing through the water pump, the water pump will no longer be able to provide 15 bars of pressure, and it will not be able to pass coffee and brew coffee the way this one is doing. And as you can see, it's a nice steady flow. Then we're gonna test this as well. That's good enough. We don't need to do the 165. I already went through 2 of these to make sure there's there are no any leaks or anything like that inside the machine. Let's do a cappuccino. Hopefully it doesn't need the adapter or anything like that. Alright, steaming up properly. Good temperature. Is it coming through here or through here? And as you can see, a steady flow coming from the spout. And there you have it, Jura Impresa J9 working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna stop it right now.